upcoming 2024 Lok Sabha elections and state assembly elections, the Congress party has taken a big decision for the selection of a special day for Bharat Jodo Yatra. According to sources, in this context, the Congress has decided that the Bharat Jodo Yatra, which started from Kanyakumari on September 7th, will conclude on January 26th in Kashmir, covering a distance of about 3,500 kilometers. In fact, the Congress was going to end this yatra by hoisting the tricolour in Srinagar on February 20th. But now, under the new strategy, Rahul Gandhi will conclude his yatra by hoisting the tricolour in Srinagar on Republic Day, said sources.